Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear bracket screw on your dryer. The reason why you would have to do this is because the screw is lost or damaged. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So all we have to do now is turn our dryer around. So we've got 2 bracket screws on the back here, and you can see right here, that one seems tight right there, but this is already loose. So we're going to get that old bad screw out, and we're just going to use a 1/4" nut driver, unscrew it. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our new screw into that hole there. And make sure you screw it in nice and tight. That way it doesn't move. Then you can turn your dryer back around and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.